fresh, nutritious, and enjoyed every day. But have you ever wondered how milk is made?
Milk begins on dairy farms, where cows are raised and cared for. Cows are milked using clean, automated machines that collect milk safely and efficiently.
Fresh milk is quickly cooled and stored to keep it fresh. The milk is then transported to a dairy processing plant.
At the factory, milk is pasteurized. This process heats the milk to kill harmful bacteria.
Milk is also homogenized, which helps keep the cream evenly mixed.
The milk is packaged into bottles or cartons and prepared for delivery.
From the factory, milk is delivered to stores. From dairy farms to your table, that is how milk is made.